without much ado, today's topic is avoid these costly immigration mistakes in the UK. Avoid these costly immigration mistakes in the UK. Avoiding these costly immigration mistakes in the UK when applying for your visa. There are so many mistakes people make when they are in the United Kingdom, especially if you haven't gotten your indefinite leave to remain visa yet, or you haven't become a British citizen yet. There are many mistakes people make, and you need to take note of these mistakes. You need to come and see us. We can apply and we can represent you before immigration authorities. We can apply any visa for you. But without much ado, you just need to take note of these mistakes. Number one mistake that people make is, if you're traveling abroad from the UK, make sure you don't stay more than 180 days in any given period. 180 days in any given period is 6 months. That is, don't stay outside the United Kingdom more than 6 months at a time. This is number one mistake people make. They get their visa and then they travel out and be on a summer holiday, and they spend ages, months and months and months. Please don't be caught unawares. You shouldn't spend more than 6 months at a time outside the United Kingdom. Otherwise, your visa will be rendered invalid. Immaterial of what type of visa you've got, you may not be allowed entry at the UK airports or seaport or whichever medium of transport that you're using to come to the United Kingdom. Another mistake that people make is don't put in your visa renewal application too late. Watch out. Look at the expiry date on your visa in the United Kingdom. You must apply no more than 28 days before your visa expires. A lot of people, when they get their visa, they put it in a corner. They put it among files something, and then they leave it. They forget their passport somewhere. They forget their visa somewhere. And when the renewal date comes, if it's more than 28 days, it may work against you. This is a very costly mistake. If you fall into that situation, you may come and see us. We will represent you. We can apply for your visa extension for you. Please don't make such mistakes. Another mistake people make in the United Kingdom is they get criminal convictions. When you are in the United Kingdom on a limited leave or a limited visa, you should not get yourself any criminal conviction. Don't commit any crime. Don't do anything untoward towards the society. Otherwise, the Home Office may deem your stay in the United Kingdom as not conducive to public good. The meaning of that is that, this person has gotten a criminal conviction and it's not good for them to stay in the United Kingdom. So avoid at all means in having criminal convictions. Another mistake you should avoid is don't present false documents in support of your visa applications. when the immigration authority asks you to present documents in support of your application, all they want is an honest truth. You may not qualify by way of your document. There are some things that the Home Office called concessions. You may be lucky and you get the visa that you apply for. But a costly mistake is if you apply for a visa application in the United Kingdom using false document. According to paragraph 9, entry, clearance, or permission held by a person may be cancelled where in relation to an application or in order to obtain documents from the Secretary of State or a third party provided in support of your application, a false representation, false documents, false information, whether you know this or not, it may work against you. Which this leads us to the next point. The next point I want to make in this video is that the next mistake that people make is that don't withhold any relevant information that you think may support your application. You should tell the Home Office the truth and the whole truth. Paragraph 9 2b also says if you did not reveal relevant fact, this may lead to a refusal of your application. So let me start from the beginning. Things you shouldn't do, costly mistakes you shouldn't make. Don't stay outside the United Kingdom for more than 180 days. Don't put in your visa renewal application more than 28 days before its expiry. Avoid criminal convictions at all means. Don't present false documents in support of your visa application, and don't withhold relevant information that you think may help your application. Another costly mistake that people make is if you apply for a visa in the United Kingdom and your application was refused and you were given opportunity for either administrative review or appeal, you should put in that appeal or administrative review 14 days after you've got your review. So notice. The point I'm going to make in this video is that avoid submitting invalid applications. An invalid application is either submitting a wrong form, paying the wrong fee, posting your application at the wrong time, making your application to go over the permittable or allowable renewal period or appeal or administrative application period. This is particularly important. There are some people these days, they like to do things themselves. This is particularly speaking to the DIYers. People like to do things themselves these days. Don't do things yourself. Consult a reputable legal representative. Come and see us. Book an appointment with us. We can even see you by Zoom or by Google Meet, or you can see us in person or perhaps telephone consultation. But I must warn you, there is a consultation fee to be paid. Our address, our details are below Mercybell and Co Ltd. Book an appointment with us. Give us a ring. Give me a call. We can advise you so that you don't make a bad application. A bad application to the Home Office is very costly. Don't do it yourself. Don't get advice from friends. Don't just read things on the internet and you think you can do it yourself. A successful application needs to be packaged properly, and you need a lawyer or a legal representative to put in the application for you. Come and see us, book an appointment to see us. We will advise you on the whatever your situation, whatever your status in the United Kingdom. Come and see us. We will advise you on the appropriate application to put in at the right time and all the supporting documents you need for your visa application. Our address is below this video. Telephone me. Come and see us in person. We can give you a telephone consultation. We can also give you a Zoom telephone advice. We can also see you in person, but you must pay a consultation fee. Come and see us. And I would like you to share this video, like this video, send this video to your friends, folks, and watch out, subscribe to our channel. We shall be giving out this information every week so that they can send YouTube can send our latest immigration information video to you. Thank you. Ciao.